Hi, my name is Andrew Luke, Applications Engineer at ON Semiconductor. Today I'm going to be showcasing our motor driver solution kit in a robotic hand application. What I have here is a 3D printed robot hand with actuators in the finger joints to control a gripping movement. The hand is controlled using the LV8548MC motor driver from our rapid prototyping motor driver solution kit, along with the included baseboard, Arduino Micro, and ON Semiconductor's motor driver API library. This system runs off a 12-volt power supply and uses less than 1 amp of current when active. Here, we have placed flexible sensors inside a general-purpose glove that feeds an analog voltage back to the Arduino when it senses movement from my hand. In each of the robotic fingers are feedback potentiometers that let the Arduino know what position each finger is in. By taking the difference in flexion between my fingers and the robot fingers, we can activate the linear actuators in the glove to move joints in the fingers to simulate natural hand gestures such as picking up a ball or pointing a finger. The LV8548 is used in industrial applications as well as consumer applications such as home appliances, water pumps, fans, and printers. For more information on our line of motor drivers or our rapid prototyping motor driver solution kit, please visit our website at www.onsemi.com.